Chief Minister Punjab Sardar Usman Buzdar chaired the maiden meeting of South Punjab Secretariat at Circuit House Multan on Thursday and issued guidelines about public service agenda of the government. Addressing the meeting, the Chief Minister directed that doors of South Punjab Secretariat should remain open to the people and officers should solve the people's problems through an open door policy. They should go out to personally monitor the ground situation. The governance model of South Punjab Secretariat should be exemplary and the officers will have to come up to the expectations of the people as their task has been increased. The CM was given a briefing about the project of South Punjab Secretariat in Multan. CM announced that South Punjab Secretariat will be constructed in Multan at Matital Road over an area of 500 canal. Its design has already been approved. He added, necessary facilities will be provided in the five-story building along with an urban forest. Usman Buzdar also gave in principle approval to establish Multan Gymkhana and further directed to early operationalize the first phase of Nishtar Hospital 2 being completed with 5 billion rupees to construct 500 bed hospital facility. Separately, Chief Minister laid the foundation stone of various projects in Multan, including new campus of University of Engineering and Technology over 10 canal land in Multan near Lard. Center manufactures special wheelchair which can be controlled through voice and a publishing center of Braille for the blind people. The Chief Minister also reactivated the center set up to deal with violence against women incidents. Buzdar also planted a sapling in Circuit House under tree plantation campaign. Addressing Lawyers Convention in Circuit House Multan, he said establishing Southern Punjab Secretariat is first step towards setting up of South Punjab province. PTI government has not only two-third majority in assembly, but yet the government is making efforts for materializing the promises made during last general elections. Secretariats have been set up in Multan and Bahawalpur, and soon Prime Minister Imran Khan will lay the foundation stones of both the projects. Government has to work hard for setting up of South Punjab Secretariat. Amendments have been made in rules of business and now 16 secretaries have been posted in South Punjab Secretariat. Usman Buzdar also announced to upgrade the status of Emerson College Multan to university level. He said district jail will be shifted outside the city. He maintained that grain market, timber market and iron market will also be shifted outside the city gradually, and instructions have been issued to Commissioner Multan in this regard. He said lawyers community has always supported PTI government. He himself is a lawyer, therefore he will fully aware about the problems of lawyers community. He said a grant of rupees 12 crore has been provided through bar councils for the lawyers who were in financial crunches due to coronavirus pandemic. The PTI government will further increase the grant to the bar. He announced to allocate 6 canal land in district court and 20 canal land in police lines for the lawyers community as they are facing shortage of space. Buzdar also announced to construct parking plazas to cope up with parking problems being faced by the people who visited Multan Kacheri. He said check of rupees 5 crore 31 lakh for the journalists colony Multan has been handed over to Multan Development Authority. He said Chief Justice of Lahore High Court has played a commendable role for maintaining the best working relationship between the bar and the bench. On the demand of President Multan Press Club Shakil Anjum for the second phase of Multan Journalist Colony, the Chief Minister Usman Buzdar assured that their demands will be considered sympathetically.